Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. We are not making this habitual. You said once, you are there, you are aware of that moment. Well, when the mind returns with some crazy thoughts or feeling, means it wants to go out because of its habit. We say, here it is, get this habit. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Have you ever thought of there is no peace, there is no emptiness? They both are complement, they complement each other. Continue, my friends. Whether you're reciting the mantra or not, you are on a journey. The mind does not react to any thought, it responds to a thought by Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Raise both your palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Know your experience. Now we'll share our experiences. How are you, Kate?
I didn't want to come back.
Beautiful. That's beautiful.
Namaste.
Good. How are you, David and Jerry?
Hi, it was another good one for me too. It was a little struggling getting into Shreyas at the beginning, and then once I got there, it was just bliss the rest of the time.
Beautiful. That is what we should have it. How are you, Jerry?
Sir, I'm good. I was very good. I feel like when I'm in that place of Shreyas, there's no static. You're totally aligned. It is really effortless. And then when I have that push, pull, or resistance, I know I'm not there.
Good. Yeah. Resistance is also unfavorable circumstances. So we have to recognize in the head, in the field of awareness, and it drops. How are you, Lara?
I'm good. It's been really quiet in the meditations the past couple sessions, so that's been really nice. It was interesting. I was a little bit stuffy on my left side, and so I just kind of did some breathing while we were starting the practice. And it's like I hear you, but I don't hear you as we're going through this. And I keep having this white bird show up, and like today was like kind of flying in a little bit differently. So it's
Yeah.
So that's it. It's quiet
White
though.
bird has to do with the symbolic expression of the deeper meditation in one of the texts. That's wonderful. How are you, Brandy? Then we'll go to.
I'm good, thank you. My meditation was just really quiet and peaceful and dark. So, had some thoughts kind of come and go, and they just came and went.
Yeah. Oh, they come and they went. That is what we should be aiming at. Beautiful. How are you, Stephen?
I'm good. Shreyas is the way. So it's a concept I've embraced the very first time you brought Shreyas and Prayas up over a year ago. And today's meditation, the start of the meditation was it was an affirmation to the contemplation and reflection that's been going on for me for the past good year. Excuse me. So it was just great. Thank you.
Beautiful, Stephen. I think Stephen remembers I briefly picked up these subjects a year ago. Those who remember. So I talked about it, but now we are opening up these principles, how to embrace. Don't embrace like the wife. No, I'm just kidding. How are you, Vaibhav?
Sir, I'm good. It's like that seeing myself beyond the repetition of the mind, that what is repeating, seeing myself beyond that, so it makes me free from whatever coming, and that makes me peaceful and very relaxing.
Beautiful. You have given another definition of the Shreyas is not repetitive. Shreyas is what is. And the prayers, because of it instinctive, impulsive, and the habitual movement based on millions of impressions that we have accumulated in the past, it has to be repeated. There is no other way. There is no other way. Yes, how are you, Sam?
I'm good. I feel like, I mentioned this on Saturday, but I'm noticing that my endurance is increasing. And for me right now, what that means is when we're in the meditation sitting still, my body is telling me where the discomfort is in the space, and I'm settling in more easily, getting more comfortable, getting in the right posture. And that's helping me throughout my day too, because things are more effortless. I'm more able to find a restful state wherever I am, standing for a long time, sitting for a long time. So there's this awesome relationship that's going on there.
Beautiful. That's a sign of the progress. I say you, Sam, don't do 1 MBA, do 5 MBA. But with the shares. My son recently visited. Now we have been together for so many years, and he has been. Did I tell you that he did meditation during COVID? Every day. I have to give him a lesson every day for 1.5 hours, 5 days a week. I said, give me 2 days rest. Result was that he got something around 17 or 18 certifications. So in this visit, he was looking, he was showing, I always observe. I got another certification, Dad. I said, good. That was the only talk we had. That is the power of the journey. He embraced it. Daughter, not concerned. Dad, you take your meditation to yourself. Don't give me. Not interested. So don't force. That's the way the life. Antoinette, how are you?
Good morning. That was very effortless, relaxing, just very light. Yeah, I think it's becoming more clear, more clear.
Yeah, coming clear. Coming clear, yes. We should understand what exactly is effortless and natural. That is coming up by understanding. That is what Antoinette is saying. Not simply we have heard somewhere it is effortless and natural. No, it should be my experience. That is what she is saying. How are you, Bo? I'm Arrow, you are Bo.
Oh, how's everybody doing? Happy Monday. In and out all the time, mostly out. But today, what I've noticed is as I move in and let go, I could hear my heartbeat. So I know I'm moving into that spot. I had that spot for about 3 minutes towards the end of the meditation. It took a couple times to hear the heartbeat, and then finally the last time was very nice, peaceful.
Very nice, peaceful, good. Good. So pay attention, listen to it, and allow the mind to settle into the shreyas and see if you have any question.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Of course I have a question. It goes back to the beginning of the class. You were talking quite a bit about I wants. Are there any I don't wants that fall into that whole situation?
Yeah. I don't want is also I want.
Okay.
I don't want this. This is also wanting.
Okay.
So I don't like a person, so I don't want to meet him. That is also my desire. So the mind continues with this mantra, I want, I want, I want, when it moves when it follows prayers. You wake up in the morning, you sleep, you are doing your business, you are talking something, that prayers mind is always present. Subconsciously, habitually, instinctively, How dare you say that? Why I shout like this? Because I had a wanting inside. Do you see that? I had a wanting inside of which I was not at all aware. And the mind prompted me to react. That is all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste.